Good morning, guys. Quickly confirm with me, is everything good? Sound and so forth, everything good? Audio good. Okay, awesome. Morning, Gunter. Hope you're doing good. Sohail, Eddie, Lucrecio, Dion. Welcome, guys. Love to see you guys here. How was your weekend? I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good. Can't complain. I'm actually looking forward to this week. I just want to make sure I can hear myself. All good, all good. Okay, perfect. Basically, yeah. So I couldn't help myself. I just I just had to hop on it because I can't. So first things first, the way I see it, so we are now in the third quarter of the year and also beginning of a new month. So I would say you guys must be careful in the market today for those fake moves, beginning of the month, beginning of the quarter, beginning of the week, beginning of the day. A lot of things could happen. I'm still basically looking at boom 1000. I want to see boom trade all the way up into this fair value gap over here, so we can start looking for sells. Just to give you guys an idea, Asian range. Right over here, Asian lows untested. So I would actually want to see boom trade all the way up today, until we get into this fair value gap level over here, and then I will start looking for sells. So very long way up. No need for us to rush anything, especially when it comes to these synthetics. I've traded them for a very long time, and I've come to realize that first quarter, not first quarter, but quarters, beginning of a new month, you always have fake moves. But let's see who's here. Rian, awesome. Yeah, Eti, you've been a true supporter since day one. So please let everyone know that I am live, and then share the link, like the stream, and let's take it from there. Let me just get this link out quickly to everyone as well. The market is gonna wait for us a bit, so there's no need for us to rush it. Okay, I think that should be everything. Let's see. Would I mind sharing my USDT analysis? We will get there. But first things first, we're gonna be focusing on the pairs that I'm looking to trade, which will be my Crash. So Crash still trading all the way up here. Let's quickly go to the 4 hour and see what's happening. So initially you can see price did make this further break of structure over here, so we technically are in a supply zone. Sorry guys, like I said, we can't save analysis on here, so I just need to re-add all my tools. I think that should be it. But initially you can see over here price made this break of structure over here on the 4 hour, so that leaves us with Sorry, this is weird. There we go. So initially you can see there's a break of structure towards the, sorry, just give me 1 second here guys, I'm fighting here. Okay, there we go. Here we have the break of structure, and then we can see price left us with the supply zone basically over here. Now here we can see we already have that reaction in the zone. So let's see on a smaller time frame what we can get. So initially long term we can see, so price has had some bearish since last week, but if you look further over here we'll see that this is basically demand which price has left us all the way over here. Okay, there's that demand zone, price tapped into it, respected it. So I would need to see price basically retrace into that level before looking for further longs towards the upside. So with that said, we can see if we refine this a bit. So the way I will see it is as liquidity 1, 2, 3. So I still expect price to trade a bit more up, maybe tap into this level potentially, and then drop. So it's either price is going to drop all the way from here, or it's still going to rise a bit before we see that move coming in. But initially we can see then price has basically flipped bullish. So with that said, just want to double check something on the 1 hour. Just want to reference the liquidity points on here. So there's definitely liquidity over here. I want to see price break below that level and then potentially trade all the way up. It's a long way down, it's a lot to ask for, but I'd rather wait so long than catch small moves. Let's quickly have a look what's happening over here. So there's this low which price is left. Amax, yes it does, it definitely does, but I hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing good. So Asian session for this pair. So we can actually see Asian high is still untested. So that's definitely a point where I will see price trade back. So in fact now I don't want to see price go up. I don't want to see price do that. I would actually like to see price trade all the way down and leave the Asian high untested, so that can be a zone for us to target basically. So yeah, that is crash 1000. If you look what Step is doing, Step has been a baby as well the past few days. Then Pool 1000, like I said, we're waiting for price to trade all the way up to that level, quite a long way up. Okay, I think this is yeah, this was that Sunday which me and Tommy looked at Step. Let's see if price eventually got to that point. That's still the point I want to see price go trade back into before that move towards the upside. I think we should all write thingy email so that they can fix the TradingView site, so that we can actually save our analysis. I think a mass protest like that should get the attention. That's still quite a long way down. It's hard to say what's gonna happen over here because Andreas, please check V25. Okay, we'll check it out in a sec. So definitely a lot of liquidity points stored over here. So you can see this as liquidity zone over here. You can see this as liquidity zone over here. You can see it as liquidity zone over here. So there's quite a few places where price could have reaction from. So you can see currently over here, but we actually might have missed this as a trade. I think we definitely missed this as a trade. Let's go to the 1 minute. So break below. It's hard to say what happened over here, but there was a nice reaction from that point. But I think Asian lows is untested here, if I'm not mistaken. No, it's not. It's been taken. The Asian high is definitely untested, so there could still be potential in the trade for potential longs. So initially we could see this as a zone which price could have that reaction from. So seeing this as a demand. And we also see that here's an inverse fair value gap, but I think maybe we can do something like this, yeah, just for more clear refinement. That's a bit of spot for entry. So we'll patiently wait here on step and see what we can get. Andreas asked for V25. Let's look at V25. Oh, so thanks, man. I'm trying to keep the vibes going, you know, trying to keep the vibes going. So just looking at currently on what's happening over here. Hey, Andreas, we can see that we are trading within the supply over here on the daily. We'll just go refine this level quickly and see if we actually had mitigation on the smaller time frames. So quite interesting what happened over here. So you could see this as the supply. And this is that internal fair value. So initially price did tap that level at first and then moved. That was yesterday, so that was actually a trade yesterday. So that this has been mitigated. But okay, let's take it a bit further. Oh, no, that's not yesterday, sorry, that is the 19th of June. My apologies. See, we're in the 4 hour, yeah. So this will be a 4 hour break of structure. And then for those of you guys who are under our mentorship program, today is Monday, so looking at the first 2 4 hour candles, it's so confusing right now. 8 o'clock. I don't know the exact name of the song, but here's the link to it. You can maybe check it out later. Hey Julian, hope you're doing good. Yeah, you see, Andreas, I don't trade trend lines. I don't want to become liquidity. So how are you basing this as a trend line? The only thing I can imagine maybe is something like this, or maybe something like this. But not my cup of tea, not something that I trade like this. So yeah, this is why I don't trade trend lines, because now on the 4 hour you basically have this, unless you're looking at it now from this perspective and you throw it out like that, which is nah, not my vibes. It's like there's so many ways you can do it, so I'd rather just keep it simple. let's see here quickly. So technically I must get used to the times again when these candles close. So this is, I'm actually an idiot. I should do this.
You're an idiot, Jay.
There we go. Thank you Mo for letting me know that I'm an idiot. So here's the open of the week. So currently it's hard for me to say what's gonna happen over here. I'd have to see price. So initially we are bullish, but yeah, same thing. I would have to see price break below these levels over here and then go up. So that is my view on V25. Andreas, from the above trend line. Jarian, the only step we have here is only one step, so unfortunately some of them we can't analyze, and I'm not gonna throw my MetaTrader on here. My account number and stuff is visible. Okay, Andreas, so I'm gonna ask you something from the top one. How are you basing your trend line? Are you basing it on the daily or on the 4 hour? Because I think you said on the daily. Because if you look on the daily, this is technically what I see. And if I do it like this, so yeah, this is why I say I'd rather keep it simple, but if it's gonna work out for you, then you know, take it. Okay, but Andreas, like, from what level are you basing it on? Are you only referring to like these few candles over here for your trend line? Because the way, if I'm looking at it, unless you're looking at it like this, unless you're looking at it like this, but still, I wouldn't trust taking it like that. I just wouldn't trust taking it like that, because now, from an obvious standpoint, everyone will be looking to do this. Everyone will be looking to do this, and now everyone's stop losses is there on top, very visible point to become liquidity. So, but if it works out for you, you know it works out, but just not the way I trade. Let's see. Crash moving up. Someone asked for V25 is V25 one is just give me 1 second quickly, guys. I'm gonna sort something out here quickly. What am I supposed to do now? I'm supposed to do something. Okay, is there anything else you guys want to look at? Anything specific? Someone asked for USDT, I remember. Let's check out USDT real quick. Guys, I'll be very honest with you, I'm going back to my roots. So soon I won't be looking at these other pairs anymore. Mainly focused on do you guys remember on Friday we spoke about the zone, yeah, or on Wednesday, no sorry, yeah, on Thursday we spoke about the zone, I think. And I said when I look for the actions there, but I can't look for sells unless we break below this level. So here we can see this demand basically failed. Interesting what price is doing, because there's no full closure over here because this level has respected. Go a bit further, so that obviously left us with the demand zone over here. Then we can see a pin basically, but now it basically leaves us with this double bottom liquidity. So price could go up, but however then looking at that becomes a magnet for price. So we could see this happen potentially. That's the potential I see for USDT. Did any of you guys trade synthetics this weekend? And can I maybe see, let's do this. Can I see something? Let's see quickly how many of you guys trade synthetic.
Sure thing, man. I enjoyed the stroll.
Okay, I started a poll there, so let's see quickly. Let's get your votes in. Let's see how many of you guys trade. While you guys vote, I run through the tool quickly. Hey Slashy, welcome, my man. Glad to see you here.
Let's not Beatles, guys.
No, 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 no. I want to be blinded, me.
Better not see shit in that.
Chris, so synthetic. Okay, so the best way I can explain it, and there's also, guys, to answer your questions as well on what they actually are. Synthetic indices, as defined by the RIV, are virtual products programmed to simulate real world market movement, but with some modifications, basically, right? That's what it says on Google. And they basically say, yeah, basically, you guys can read up on it. It's literally, I wanna say now they have more P's. But they have, guys, they have a lot of P's you can trade. Okay, so literally it's based off, it mimics certain things. I've heard people say, like, for instance, gold is one of the things it's derived from. Yeah, so, but you guys can feel free to check it out. Let's see, VIX V10 one is okay. Let's quickly see with that poll over here. So 64% of you trade synthetics. If I may ask, the other 36% who don't trade synthetics, why don't you guys trade synthetics? Okay, so V10 is bearish. Interesting. Okay, so that's definitely a point you could still see price trade into, and then just keep an eye over here as well. But flipping, so we can also see a break of structure, and then you have a supply zone basically there on top. But then we go to the 4 hour for a more clear idea. Okay, so just looking at structure over here, this is the lowest point, and we can see this is the lowest point which price has broken through. So I would say there is a supply zone, so there we have that tap in. Okay, perfect. And then this was last night actually. Asian highs tapped, yeah. That's interesting. Chris, so is there any advantage trading synthetics over forex? Yes, there is. They're not affected by anything like fundamentals. You can trade 24/7. You have much more setups throughout the day. They're more volatile. It's quite a few things. Quite a few things.
Well, the screen that side. No, it looks really solid. There's a change, and I'm sure the tag will see that.
Well, it's not ideal. It's on a wall.
Oh yeah.
It's like in a basement.
Yeah, you look like you're doing like an interview on the news.
Okay. So So I will see this as potential liquidity sweep. The reason also for that is because now we technically have this Asian low that will act as resistance, so everyone's going to be selling that. That's it, break of structure, breach of character. I'll patiently wait for price to trade back into this level. There's a bit more refinement there. So initially I want to see price move all the way down there and wait for my reaction in the 1 minute. Actually, been working on something interesting yesterday. So you can see here already price moving down. There's that divergence. I used the same technique yesterday to catch step and volatility. Man's fighting. Okay, so look at our other crash pairs, crash and boom pairs. So this is step and boom 1000. So booms. Boom just running here as well. Well, my TPB on VIX10 then V7 V10. Oh, the Asian eye. The Asian eye. And so that was my final TP, but obviously depending on how the price moves, I wanna see this. Stop is hectic. Okay, let's say 60, it's enough. And I'll first target this midpoint over here. That's like a 1 to 4. And I'll take a 50% of my position, and then I'll target the rest all the top. Hey, Boss Bobby. Hope you're doing good, man. Hope you're doing good.
Imagine taking the first miss, bro. You don't want that for yourself.
Okay, we're still discussing a few pairs here. So boom 500, quite a move down. I'm gonna to see it actually fail.
Yeah, I don't think this room is. Yeah, it's a bigger couch.
I have to wait a bit on this. So maybe I can flip to. I actually caught a little quick one this morning. Yeah, on crash 500, crash 300. So I caught it. What time is it now? I came to work. Came to work around this time. I think, yeah, I caught it here this morning. I mean, for a little simple one. Wait, how many? Wasn't a big trade. I think it was something like this. Nothing too big, nothing major, just an in and out. Let's see if we can get price coming to this level. So crash 300, still waiting on that. Let's see. I also think boom 300 has moved. I don't think we're gonna get anything here. Actually, we might get something. We might actually get something. Let's see them take out that Asian high, so the Asian low can be on the table for us.
In the studio.
Stainsburg, welcome. Hope you're doing good. Come on. Let's see if we can get. Also, guys, just be very careful. It is the beginning of a new quarter, beginning of a new month, so stock has to be moved around. Don't be surprised if the market does weird things which you like, oh, why is the market acting the way it is. Started van die jaar. Patiently gonna wait, yeah. Patiently gonna wait for the perfect setup. That's the only thing about crash and boom also. I've made my profit, now I have to wait. Oh, guys. We might just have something here. Damn it, man. So there's the point of interest. I'll be looking for a sell, yeah. Just wanna see price do this. Hey Robert, hope you're doing good. I'm doing good. Yeah, I had a good weekend. I was quite chilled. Yeah, recovered and tried to get some rest, but I was busy. I was really busy. But I hope you had a good weekend. Oh yeah, Robs. I was so excited this morning when I saw that there's more people that subscribed. So I'm really looking forward to it. And once again, thank you for everyone who has subscribed. So let's get it. Let's get to 1K. Let's get to 1K. Volatility. Okay, so I placed a pinning order over here. My stop is 5.5. Okay. Let me see quickly here on my thingies. Okay. Price trading down. Thingy was going up. So interesting to see what's gonna happen, yeah. Let's see. Morning, Brit. Hope you're doing good. Please like the stream, guys. If you guys are watching, please like. Not yet. We're waiting, Brit. Waiting for price to come tap us in. We have a supply level over here, so we're waiting for price to actually travel to that level so we can get in there. And then so Matt, do we really kind of have an idea of how we? Yeah, it's very different being at the new office. It's nice, much more open. It feels more like an office now. I feel like the other place was more like a. It was obviously open plan, but like I just feel like the vibes is different now. Much more dedication. I feel like the energy is different. We're gonna work much harder, bigger things we're working on. So, yeah. yeah, yo. I don't know, eh? Is it mouse or mice? Mouses or mice? I think it's mice. I think it's the same concept. Might just be a slow day for us. The travel time, it depends on traffic, but I would say about 15 minutes. 15 minutes. 15 minutes on a chill day.
In a creepy new house.
And that's big. Wow. Just doof. That's just doof. That's bang should be. Um, yeah, the plan is to stream both London and New York. Just this morning, I would have gone live earlier, but we were sorting out a few things here, setting up the PCs and so forth. But yeah, definitely tomorrow we're gonna stream at least 5 hours a day, at least. Um, but yeah, I'm still trying to see as well in regards to like my time, because there's also a lot more other things gonna happen now because it's almost time for baby to come. But there's a few things I have to discuss with Chris, and obviously give some advice from him as well to see how I can manage it and what I maybe can do. And then we'll see from there. But yeah, like I showed you guys last week, people mustn't think that because I started my own streams, it wasn't the office on Friday and Thursday that something happened. No, I'm still here at the office. We're still a family. Hey Aqua, hope you're doing good, man. Hope you're doing good. So more or less half of the people basically trade synthetics. Okay. Hey, I don't know. Hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing good, man. I have to sort Dorito out here. Give him a range.
Yeah, practicing.
Aqua needs his range. Oh, there we go. So let's see, we will get an entry. Yeah, Aqua, bro, you should definitely do it. You should definitely do it, my man. It's been green on the side. I flipped a $7 account to basically $200 within a week.
You smell that?
Yeah, no, I don't know. At the office at the moment. At the office. And I'm good, man. I'm good. Hope you're doing good. What's wrong?
On a saying paint, I think it's paint on the element.
Oh.
Really? Never. That little gray thing. Yeah. Yeah, on the element. On the bar.
But I think it's important to have the flexibility, especially with baby coming. Every baby is different, but the demands definitely, my man, definitely. This is why, like, I want to see, like, yeah, what can be the most convenient way as possible for us to do this. But yeah, if you guys haven't done so yet, please like the stream. Please share the link with your fellow traders. Let's get some more people in the chat. And then, I mean, guys, we're trading a synthetic market here. Like, who's doing this? Who's doing this? Like, no, I think I'm the only guy trading synthetics live now. One delay, yes, $7 to $200. It took me a long time to break through. So I flipped the account from $7 to $70 to $90, and it took me like a few days to break that barrier. And then yesterday step paid, and then yesterday step in what? And range break paid. So those two like broke me through the barrier to actually like get the account past $130, and that's when the account actually now got to 200. The office is the new office is very different, much bigger. But I'm sure you're gonna come check it out soon. Being part of the Ultimate Trader, but you'll love it, man. You'll love it. It's just now it's different now. You'll see when you come here. You have to decide who you're gonna go to because it's not like the open plan thing. Blood River. Please check V25. Okay, let's check V25. Didn't we have V25 on here? But okay, let's quickly go to the V25. V25, I don't know what I want to do because we basically had price tap interest level. Now it did respect it. Now there is a supply zone over here basically. But I've explained to who was it? I think it was Andreas. He's also looking at V25. So quickly, let me ask you, the Blood River, what's your bias on it? What's your bias on it? Because I don't trust it. Because the way I see it, there's a supply, and then you had the fair value gap over here, but then price mitigated it. You'll see a price mitigated it. So technically, we are now back above this level. So the question is, what's gonna happen? Because to me, also like the way my mentor has been showing me recently, seeing the support and seeing fair value gaps as support and resistance, basically. So we can see that over here, basically, but the price held this fair value gap, this imbalance, basically held as support. So we could easily see price continue pushing up, but the only difference is, let's quickly go here. So you'll even see here, it's very hard to say, because I don't like the way these wicks look, and then seeing that as breaks, it makes it very hard for me to say where price wants to go. So I will actually wait and set it out and see whether we break above or break below. If we break below this level, I will look for buys. If we break above, I will look for sells. Very, very simple. The people under my mentorship will know my reasoning for that and why I look at the market that way. What the account do I use in trade synthetics? So yeah, I think Brett answered you there. Any of the accounts a good standard or the zero spread? Just the financial one, because I don't know synthetic, but yeah, I don't know, guys. I haven't opened it in a very long time in that sense, so it's very hard for me to say what is the exact reasoning there. Oh yeah, and guys, also, unfortunately, the mentorship is no longer 4,400. You can no longer get it for that price. Prices has increased, so we're still doing 20% off the initial launch for August. So early bird, 20% off. Just check in our Discord, basically, for the details. But unfortunately, guys, I will not be feeling sorry for anyone anymore, because in the end, I feel like I try and help everyone, but then the people who I even try and help don't value it. So up the price that way. Like, you obviously, if you pay so much money for it, you're gonna value it, and you're not gonna waste my time, and also I won't waste your time. Slushy, bro, I had a weird weekend. It was nice spending time with Michaela. Obviously I was busy as well, and celebrating what's happening on the channel with the subs, the live streams, and so forth. And then what happened actually? What happened Saturday night? Why did we sleep so late? We slept very late on Saturday, and then I played some Fortnite as well. Very chilled. And then yesterday morning, we went to my parents' house, chilled some time there with the family. But yeah.
Also, you texted me.
Yeah.
Slash. Hope
Check.
sorry, I did read that. Only you allowed to get it for 2,000. What do you mean? Wow, look at those numbers growing there, guys. Let's keep on sharing. Oh man. Fortunately, looks like we're gonna miss this. This tape also just moving without us.
Oh, sorry.
Are you busy?
Yeah, what's up?
I was thinking we chat about one more video we're gonna put up for the Ultimate Trader.
It's a stream but laggy, Clays, but
Something like the announcement. I don't know, something good.
Yeah, slash I would have, but unfortunately everything runs on the system now. Everything runs on the system. It's a bit laggy. Okay, let me quickly see. Um, um, it's just stream a bit laggy. Let me see what I can do. I don't know what's the problem there, guys. Hey, Rooks, hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing good. Because on my side, I see I can't change anything due to the not already being live.
When it's held office functions.
The webcam frames drop now and then. Okay, I don't know. I will be honest. There is a few things on the settings that I must still check out and still figuring out. So just be a little patient with me. We are still in our first few days of streaming, so yeah, we're still gonna figure that out. But now, guys, look how the numbers are. I can see my side obviously, but the numbers are climbing. Nice. Looks like you guys are sharing. So if you guys can keep on doing that, I would really appreciate it. Let's spam those groups. Let's actually get them on true guidance. Is it really spam if you're trying to help people? Is it really spam? You guys done streaming? Nice. Still patiently waiting you guys on Enter yet. And also, guys, please, if you guys do follow any trades that I take on you and you haven't traded synthetics before, please take it on the demo account so you can get used to do it, the lot sizes and each pair basically. Okay, let's see. Okay, there we go. Sorry, quickly here, guys. My only concern is now also based on what I've been testing out. I don't want to see this. I don't want to see this do this. I don't want to see it hold and not get tapped in because then it's going to invalidate. I want to see it happen so the price can go back into that level. But we'll cut it at 12 because obviously that's that time period where that break comes in. So we'll see within the next 28 minutes if we can get something. So basically we called the potential buys here, but price didn't come all the way down, so we missed that. price still within the range. Like I said, guys, it's the second quarter. Even the rev themselves, they have to basically move stock around and make sure that liquidity is met before we can get anything. Yeah, it's really pity that we don't have like range break on here, because range break is a very interesting pair. Let's maybe look at something like jump. Sure. This thing is heavily bearish. Also have this, yeah. Interesting. Very interesting. So still nothing I can do on here. Making it very difficult. Oh no, guys, man. Look here. It was actually a very chilled weekend. Spent some time with Michaela there. We watching the boys, watch some Power. Oh, slash, bro. I hope you've been watching Power. But I actually started watching a new series as well called White Lies, South African. I highly recommend you guys check it out. It's very, very good. Sorted out my little trading room, started preparing stuff for baby as well. It was a lot of prep this weekend, a lot of prep for work, for baby, and so forth, you know. And you, Iti, what were you up to and how was your weekend?
Like it's done, eh?
I think very good, very good. I actually feel so idiot. I feel like an idiot for sleeping on it for so long, because guys, no, I don't like what this pair is doing, so I'm gonna delete the spinning order. Can't take the sell. We're just gonna miss it. So unfortunately, I'm just gonna delete that pending order. We already have a very good win rate on the stream, so I don't wanna mess that up by feeling I'm forcing anything. 100% win rate, if I'm not mistaken. Trading room's getting the itty. So yeah, still need to get myself like a gaming chair. Who was it the other day who said by the time a few weeks from now I'm gonna have big arms for moving that chair frontwards and back. But yeah. Weekend was good, Jay. We took the women and the girls to Grandwich for some laser tag and gambling. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. I can't wait till I can do that with my little family. I feel like that's one of the main things I'm looking forward to with having kids and so forth. Can't wait. Ashlyn, hope you're doing good, man. Hope you're doing good. Please like and subscribe if you have not yet done so. I'll really appreciate it. And also, Itty, regarding that, I'm actually gonna. What I should do is on my Discord. Are you in my Discord, Itty? My Discord server. I remember you asked regarding the wish list for baby. There's quite a few person asking about it. So I'm actually gonna drop it in there. And if you guys want to get us anything, you guys can feel free to select whatever's on that list and sort us out. We'll really appreciate it. Also want to say a massive thank you to Raphael in the chat. He's not here now. And also a massive thank you for him for the gifts he got for baby. Yeah, she's doing good. She's really growing a lot now. You can see now, like, yo, bro, she wants to pop. Okay. I'll make a little text on it on the group later, and then yeah, like I said, whoever will be. I know there's a people who are keen to buy a few things, so I'll drop it after the stream maybe. Ashlyn. Good, man. Good. Party and Sklani. Max, yes, we have moved offices. We now in Newton Park. Let's see what else we have here in the markets. Anything else? So Step moved. Everything we called basically left without us. I wonder if my withdrawal has been processed yet. Hey Keenan, away. How's this? glad to see you, my man. Glad to see you, yeah. Okay, we're still waiting for that withdrawal to be processed. Andreas, I'm in one trade, yes. Range break 200. Not sure if you can see there. Let me just do this. Okay, not sure if you guys will be able to see it, but I'm in that trade over there, running in about $40 profit. Hey Jason, hope you're doing good, man. Hope you're doing good. I know I'm doing good. Glad to be back in the office. I had a good weekend. Was really chilled. Spent some time with family. Was working. Jams on Fortnite. Really chilled. Really chilled. Now this weekend I was really like, nah, I have to like spend some time with family and like really relax because, yo man, like I was exhausted, man.
Fucking
Cameron, no, no, I'm not.
good. Alright.
Just basically stream on my own now.
The last thing I needed to do last week.
Okay, so
That's wrapped up. And then, so now I have two things.
Oh man, this thing.
Pay for all the motion graphics. So
what
just
motion graphics?
the stats and everything.
No,
Remember?
leave that. That's,
Okay, so
it's taking too long, like, they'll just motion graphics. Like,
CV75.
some
no,
of
it's too long, no.
Okay.
Anything that...
thing is,
that's
I
not-
never really got the chance.
But anything that's taking longer than something you can put out, like just a stationary graphic
No, no.
is better.
Okay, so here's my chat though. It's only taken long because I've only been able to do like an hour here and there. But I feel like I have. Okay.
Sure. Motion graph. No, the thing is, there's a lot better. My issue with the motion graphics is like...
Still in the Asian range. I don't trust it, man. I don't trust that. I don't trust that. You see something, yeah?
And then it's like, maybe do another one, and it's like another, I don't know how long it takes you, but we're not efficient. You're not, it's not your speciality.
No, it's not that.
No.
It's not my specialty. Sure.
No, but I mean, you're not efficient in motion graphics.
Would you have liked it if it came out like something?
No, like somebody that's...
Oh yeah, no, like we said, guys, there's nothing that happened. It's just they have their own thing, I have my own thing. So, but we're still in the same office.
Stationary graphic.
Still in the same office.
Even thinking about doing something video style. Like, hey guys, there's Maria, here's the stats for the week. And then we run through the stats and that just pops up on the screen. That's almost more engaging. So that's the one.
Okay, interesting.
So yeah, they
What we have here.
these you might think they motion graphics and they just
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We can literally use that just to get stuff, making it easy for us to get stuff out and to fill the pages. Maybe even having something like that, and then next to it, as you scroll a little bit.
Blown out Asian box. So 50% retracement is definitely on the table, yeah.
Like I said, that they'll set up maybe in another office or even here somewhere.
Yeah, it could be
Just a
something.
nice little, nice backdrop.
I think we could do it in the studio from a different angle, maybe.
We don't even need a light box, but just like that beautiful.
Only concern now, yeah.
Setup. And then also stuff like that. For instance,
Can you,
like
can you tell this guy South African from just looking at it? You can't, because you can't tell that Nigerian
Nice.
South African.
No, he looks a little bit Asian. I think his parents.
I
is
looked at
almost
this guy.
Asian. He's Nigerian Asian. He's
Bro,
mixed.
I looked at this guy and I'm
Let's see if we put our special, if we push our little special thingy on, yeah.
And they mentioned that he's from South Africa.
Yeah, he looks a little bit Asian.
Because of those eyes.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can speak on that.
Okay, so that is the one thing, so I don't want us to,
Spend too much time on
like,
something.
you're really making me love it, so are you then gonna do,
This happening, yeah.
like that,
That is going up.
This year.
that's simple.
So that is a bit odd.
So thumbnail idea, what did they have?
Let's go to the 15 minute just to get that or confluence.
And then just click your TMI.
The price hasn't making higher highs. Okay.
Simple,
Now
yeah. Actually it looks shit, doesn't look like that, but it's the,
Here's the thing that I find so funny about stuff like this. They can only control on their end. You saw what I was like with us with the thumbnails for our cases. It's like they send you a picture.
Okay, so here's a different story.
Shirtless, bro.
Directly above it. So that is something. But my only concern is now how price is moving.
okay, so we're gonna get that
get myself to sit and prepare a video for tomorrow. Something we can put out for the rest of the week.
I won't lie.
Oh, okay.
I'm kinda tempted.
But you can as well see where the signage is.
2100.
Don't judge it now.
No. I just want to get that done. What else is there?
What else did we speak about this morning?
I'll wait for what's going to be off the stream and chat some other stuff.
We spoke about the light lamp. I'll look that up as well.
Okay.
Is that all?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's just look at shit.
Okay,
Why
it's-
is that on
Drill him now.
that shit?
Oh, she's cut.
No, okay, I'll get another shit.
There's 3 short chairs. 2 chairs.
Is it 2 shit?
Yeah. 'cause
Okay
you
guys,
can
actually
tell
what I'm
us-
gonna do here is I'm gonna take a small one here.
Sorry, I think they have
No, no.
a chair or so.
It's JV's shit. I'll get another
The shit
shit.
one.
Yeah.
So we need 2.
Stay
Oh
standing.
my
there.
word.
She can stand. Oh, Laid. Sorry, another piece of.
Shit.
I don't know. Something else. The 40% of crack.
Yeah.
Okay, I took it there guys.
It's done.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
The redesign.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna go with a 600 point stop.
Hold on.
No, I can't.
Super ready.
Yeah, Chris is over that though.
Oh,
What is
yeah,
wrong
the
here?
initial one.
You know, I sent you the
Okay guys, just be mindful.
On WhatsApp.
I see the smallest stop loss you can set here. Just a quick one here guys. The smallest stop loss you can set is literally like a 20 point thing. So my stop is like all the way up there. Just giving you guys an idea, it's all the way up there, but I will obviously manage it and watch it and monitor it so that we can drag it down. But initially, obviously, this is how we want to see it. That is the zone more or less. We'll manage it around here.
Where did that guy post his report?
That random kid, Asian lows. Asia lows.
Oh, sorry, it stopped working. Sure thing. No. We have. I hate the bonus. Sometimes you say double, yeah. Yeah, here it is. I don't know what you're on now, though. Sorry about it. Yeah. Sure thing, no problem.
Okay, we must maybe just print something to say you're $8 to do.
Yeah.
was a stick in there now.
This ain't hero tell no more.
Thing around. Dion, it's very hard to explain that. This is why I said open a demo account, take the smallest lot size possible that you can trade, and watch it and see. For instance, if you just smallest lot size possible, if you make $1, how many amount of points did it move to equal that $1? Basically, it's very hard for me to explain that. It's gonna take a long time to explain. For range break, for crash and boom, for volatility, for jump, for they're all different, and there's a reason also why they've set it up this way to confuse traders. So it's gonna be up to you as an individual to go check that out. Like, I'll be very honest, I'm not gonna give myself that headache of trying to teach people lot sizes on synthetics. That is just something else. It's something different. And the thing is, because like the requirements change now and then, it's hard to keep up as well. So it's best for you as an individual to check it out, and then basically have your own subconscious mind see that layout. I'm obviously dragging my stop loss as well to the lowest point I can as price moves away from entry. Andreas, you should be in already. You should be in already. If you were watching me, you should be in already. Can't chase a moving bass. And the thing is, we can't even modify our stop loss properly on here, because on the app, literally I can't. My stop is all the way like up here. So yeah, all the way up here. So I literally could drag it now only till that level. So this is why I say I'll manage to trade. Then as price basically goes on, we will drag it until we get to entry. I told him we're gonna end at 12, so he's gonna check what's gonna happen. Okay, yeah, so no problem. 15 more minutes. Okay. Yeah, so you guys would see, like yesterday I traded V10. I literally ended with 8 lots, but those 8 lots are actually like a 0.08, you know. So yeah, but guys, also just a quick one there. Like I said to you guys earlier, we are busy at the office sorting out a few things. And yeah, obviously a lot of settling in to do. We still need to clean and so forth. So I will be ending the live in the next few minutes. If we can just have some, it's either I will close the trade in profit, I'll scratch it, or we'll manage the trade here. But if you can just see price do this potentially, then I will leave it in your hands to manage this trade on your own. Oh, guys, I don't like the timing here is out. The timing is out. I don't like the timing. Okay. Get ready with me, yeah. I'm gonna drag my stop down more. Here, I can barely even drag it down more. Guys, you know what, no. I'm just gonna cut this trade. I can't sit like this, being worried about the stop loss because I'm being limited on it. I just took small profit there. Let's just get a W in the chat for that negative risk reward trade. Let's get a W in the chat for that negative risk reward. But no, I just don't like the way it's making me feel. I don't like the way it's making me feel. I would rather miss a trade than feel anxious about it. It's just, yeah. But can we get a W in the chat for that? Negative risk reward. Lovely, man. Lovely, guys. So I think we took 4 trades on stream. Obviously, 3 winners. It's just that one boom trade when we took it and it basically hit stop off the stream. So we will take it as that. So let's say 4 trades, 3 wins, 1 loss. So far we're on a 75% win rate. So that's awesome. The next session will be 3 o'clock this afternoon. Jason, I can't, like, I literally can't move my stuff. Go on your demo account and go see if you enter a trade in this pair, how far your stop loss is. You'll see it's really difficult, man. So I'd rather scratch it than anything else. If I knew this is gonna happen, then I wouldn't have taken it. But here's the thing, I'm obviously used to my pairs, so I can enter and I can put stop afterwards, you know. I don't know, like I said now to Dion, you're gonna have to go on your demo account, take the smallest lot size possible and see when it makes $1. Then obviously that $1, you will know if you make $1, that's 10% forex. So now you have to go back and go compare those lot sizes, compare to the price movements basically. That way you'll see that each pair has its own unique lot size. Each pair has its own unique pip values. Each pair has its own unique value as to how you see those pips. So yeah, it's unfortunately you're gonna have to go do it yourself. But guys, oh, look at it run now, look at it run, look at it run, look at it run. But like I said, I would rather miss it. I'd rather miss it than disappoint myself and feel so anxious. I already have enough stress and enough problems I'm going through, so I can't be doing this to myself. But like I said, if you are, this manifestation candle, if you are holding it, trades in your hands, manage it wisely. Okay, awesome guys. Unfortunately for you now, I'm gonna get done into office cleaning up and so forth. So we'll go live again at 3 o'clock. Just keep an eye on my stories, and then yeah, we'll see you guys later. All good? You guys all good? No. Look at that thing drop. Damn it, man. But even so, even if I did hold it, then my stop would only be like here now. So then what's the point, you know? What's the point? My stop should be here by now. But okay guys, we'll see later on in the session what we can get. Love you guys. Please share the link with your fellow traders, and I'll see you guys later on. Much love, much love.